Check out this Patriotic Wreath for Memorial Day and the 4th of July. It came out so pretty. We love making a rose wreath. This is one of our signature designs. And here we use this tricolor mesh for Memorial Day and 4th of July, and it looks so good. This is how you can see we do it, by adding, but first zip ties and then mesh shaped like petals all around the wreath board. So you can see the fast replay here, and we have the whole thing in regular tempo on YouTube. And you can see it just comes together very easily, but it's so fun to make, and depending on what colors mesh you use, you can really create different personalities, and it's very impactful on your home. So we wrap those petals around that center using the zip ties to create that beautiful rosebud in the middle, and you can just see how it's all coming together. Everything is available at uniqueinthecreek.com, and don't forget our YouTube channel too.